This is a brand new HyperShift, something that has never been seen before, never been sprayed before. You, me, Gabe, we're all gonna see it for the very first time today. This is ZGH HyperShift. KP sent it over. Gabe, any guesses on what kind of colors we're gonna see?
Nope.
Yeah, me neither. So it's a interference or white powder HyperShift, and based on the powder itself, I am getting nothing.
It's really, really fine.
Holy mackerel. Well, actually,
There's greens and purples.
I just kind of thinned it out a little bit and it kind of came to life. That was not expected. Okay, so we know there's gonna be some kind of greens. That's actually kind of cool. So, we only have one bag of it. So pigment load isn't really up for discussion. It's gonna be a 12.5 gram per gallon load, right? Okay, so here we go. ZGH. Wow, it is fine. It's completely stuck to the bag.
I mean, that might be fine for the pigment load as far as how fine the product is.
Well, let's remember, light, bright base, high interference pigment load, dark, deep base, lower. We're going over koi orange. Is that light, bright, or deep?
No, that's more on the lighter side.
Kind of like right up the middle?
But I feel like this
Whoa,
is such a dense, fine pearl.
It's literally sitting at the bottom.
That's awesome.
Let's see what happens here. Not getting anything yet. Faint greens. Kind of a mild magenta purple on top.
It's really like a white powder versus like that off-white that we see.
It really is very pure white, almost like a baking soda kind of vibe.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if the stick of truth has anything to say. Oh, okay, we got greens for sure. Greens are popping. Greens are popping, and then we come into this. Okay. Ah. It's like spaced out very well. It travels quite a bit too for a pearl this small. A lot of sparkle. All right. And like we said, koi orange. I can't remember the last time we did a HyperShift over an orange. So it's just due, right?
Yeah.
All right, brand new, first time ZGH HyperShift over koi orange. And don't worry, we're gonna show you the HyperShift over a bunch of different base colors at the end of the video like we always do. I'm excited. You?
Oh yeah.
Excitement level 0 to 10?
8.5.
There we go, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and you never know what you're gonna get with a brand new HyperShift Pearl. I love when KP sends these pigments. We don't get any information, so we can all see it for the very first time together. As far as this project, very cool tones, more sparkly than I thought. I'm gonna bring it outside right now, and you know what to do. Leave a comment below, and let me know what you think. I'm gonna name this color Sahara Sunset. So you leave a comment below and beat that. I dare you. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have tons of colors, tons of kits. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. I'm going to show you this pearl over a bunch of different color speed shapes at the end of the video. Gabe and I love doing this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.
you.